So I'm Lee from 3D 360, and we're here at Farnborough today to actually promote our 3D digital manufacturing boot camps, 3D printing, 3D CAD, and Industry 4.0. 3D printing is a disruptive technology. I've been using it for like the last 25 years. It's been around since the 60s, but it's becoming more accessible. People are using it in medical, they're using it in like prosthetics, affordable prosthetics, 3D printed splints, body parts, organs. People are now using it in vehicles, planes. It can make what's previously unmanufacturable. 3D printing can produce really light items. This item here has been through a process called generative design, which basically removes all material that's not needed. So it can make items that are really light, very strong, and it's all about power to weight ratio. On the International Space Station there is a 3D printer. They've been using that for years for any tools or equipment. This was actually designed by NASA. They actually open source all their designs. And this little ratchet works straight off the printer, so it's not assembled, it works straight off. As I say, like, it's not like they can nip out and go out to pop out to alphas like we can. So these things are really important. So the great thing about 3D printing, it's called additive manufacturing because it adds material. There still isn't a lot of people that know about it. So you can have engineers that have got a lot of experience in traditional manufacturing. If you can learn how to do additive manufacturing, it almost puts you on it's a bit of a leveler really. It actually puts you maybe in front of the queue of somebody who's got a lot of experience. The key to 3D printing though is knowing how to use CAD. CAD is computer-aided design. 3D CAD is critical, and actually understanding how to design for additive manufacturing, because it's a lot of engineers, they can't get their head around that 3D printing can actually make chainmail sort of thing. So people are using this for fashion, and that's not put together, that's just printed in one piece, which was previously impossible to manufacture. NASA would have designed this item in three-dimensional space on CAD, created it, and then sent it to the printer. Much like if you do a document in Word, or you do an Excel or a Photoshop and you send it to your paper printer to print it out. Well, this is what 3D printing does. But you've got to have the CAD file to actually create it. And you can then create amazing things like these little, octopuses, and so we use these as part of our marketing campaign and pop our logo on the top. What we're trying to do is that digital manufacturing challenges the stereotypical view of what an engineer was. We don't all walk around with oily overalls with big adjustable spanners. This is interesting stuff. You can actually you can design a product and then send it to the other side of the world where somebody else will print it. And this is, imagine that's not gone on a plane, it's not gone on a truck or anything, reduces carbon miles. And with Industry 4.0, you can control a manufacturing facility from, your office at home. It's all about reacting on real-time data, and the whole ethos, they're all linked: robotics, 3D printing, 3D CAD, digital manufacturing. It's a whole ecosystem. Huge opportunities.